Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Talisha, also known as Creativity by T. If you are new to the channel, I do welcome you and I hope you consider subscribing. And then thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers for coming back and for your continued support. So today I am going to be sharing a pattern haul. Okay, yes, a brand new pattern haul by the Butterick Spring collection. I recently went to Joann Fabrics and I went there to get some webbing for my Annie pack that I made for my vacation. I made the Annie pack and I used black webbing, which does not really match up with the colorway that well, but that was the only webbing that I had at the house. When I came back from vacation, I went to Joann's because I wanted to check on the webbing. They don't carry brown webbing. I don't understand why, because that's a very common color, but since they didn't have what I wanted, I just kind of browsed around, noticed that the Butterick patterns were on sale. I really didn't feel like I needed any Butterick patterns except for a couple of them that I wanted to pick up that were shared during the 5 and Below series. So I went by the counter and what did I see? The display of all the new patterns. Now I'm sure not all of the patterns that were on the display are the patterns that were being sold, but those are the ones that I saw, and I didn't go through the drawers. I just looked at the display and I picked out a couple of patterns from what I have seen and what I picked up. They did a really good job this time around, so I want to share with you what I picked up, why I picked it up, see if there's any better size ranges, or you know, which Butterick does good. So I shouldn't say better, but I just want to share all those details with you, and I will go ahead and start now. So for the first pattern that I picked up Butterick 6879, and the description is children and misses tops and skirts. I really love the top for view B, and I really love the skirt for view C. View B is what the model at the top is wearing, and view C is the version of the skirt that all of the models actually are wearing. The only difference is length. The top is described as a pullover crop top with elastic sheared back, has shoulder ties, and there's also a raised waist top that ends at the high hip and has elastic sheared back as well, side slits and shoulder ties. I would not be going for the crop top. I would definitely be going with the standard top, but I thought it was really cute because it puts me in the mind of like a peplum, and I really love a peplum, and I think strappy ties are really cute, so that's why I would definitely make that top. The suggested fabrics for this pattern are going to be your cottons, your linens, gauze, and silky types. I would definitely make this in some form of cotton, and I can see myself making this up really soon. The next pattern that I picked up is Butterick 6878. This description is Mrs. Tunic with sash and top. I thought that this was so absolutely cute and modest at the same time. I like every single version within this pattern. This is a V-neck top that has a knot at the top of the neckline, back keyhole with loop and buttonhole closure, and it also has sleeve and length variations, and tunic A, which is your sleeveless tunic, has a sash tie. Like I said, I can see myself making every single view here, and I will show you the line drawings in the back. So here are the line drawings. And the fabrics that are recommended for this pattern are going to be your cotton blends, your lightweight poplin, crepe, and challis. Then I picked up Butterick 6878, which is Mrs. Tops. This is a relaxed fitting dolman sleeve top that has asymmetrical draped necklines with options for flutter sleeves or elastic casings. It also has a jewel neckline top that has wide gathered sleeves, and the tops have a keyhole with loop and button closure in the back. I thought all of these tops were super duper chic and nice. Even though there's a little bit of skin showing, you can still wear this to church. You can still wear these tops to the workplace or date night. You can just dress it up or dress it down. It's not doing like too much. So I really like this pattern, and view C does not have an opening at all. So if you don't want to have the opening like views A and B, which are the green and the blue, you don't have to have an opening. Super cute. And I'll show you the line drawing. So here are the line drawings in the back, and as far as fabric is concerned, the recommendations are going to be your charmeuse, cotton blends, crepe de chine, double georgette, poplins, shirtings, and silky types. So definitely a keeper for me. Now, anyone that knows me knows I love a good jumpsuit. I love a good jumpsuit, and this pattern did not disappoint. This is a Mrs. Jumpsuit sash and belt, and it has an elastic waist with asymmetrical buttons in the front. I thought that was super dope. It has a back zipper, and it also has sleeve variations. Views A and B have pockets and tapered leg pants. View C has pockets and wide leg crop pants. And views A and C have a sash, and view B has a D-ring belt. So I thought this was super cute. You could really level this up with dramatic buttons in the front. And I also like that view B has like a collar, and view C and view A does not. So you could mix and match that however you would like. And I think having the collar makes it look a little bit more fancy and professional. View C is going to be your relaxed, but I love the sleeves on view C as well. So you can really do a lot with this pattern, and I absolutely love it. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the fabric recommendations are going to be your cotton blends, your crepes, gabardine, linen, and challis. Absolutely cute, absolutely. Then I picked up Butterick 6882, and this is Mrs. Jacket, dress, top, pants, and sash, and it is lined. And I picked this up for all of the views. I love the square neckline. I like the contrasting on the dress. I love the pants, and I love the top for view C, which is here right there. So yes, absolutely such a good pattern. This is another one that could just be, I mean, it's just good. It's sophisticated. You can wear these views to church, to work, date. Love it. Part of the description states that it's lined open front short jacket, and it has contrasting binding trim. The sleeveless square neck top and dress have back zippers and a sash, and the pants are wide leg pants and have a side zipper. So here are the line drawings, and the suggested fabrics that are going to be for this pattern are going to be your cotton blends, Petit, so that's a good one because that's stretchy, gabardine, crepe, tweed, and linen. And for your lining, you would just use a lining fabric. Then I picked up this pattern. This is not a new spring pattern, but I picked this up because when Rochelle and myself were doing the 5 and Below series, a YouTuber by the name of Hollywood Wear made these pair of pants that is in this pattern, and I really loved how it looked. So that is one reason why we had the 5 and Below series, so that you can find different patterns that don't have a whole lot of pattern pieces that you could use for yourself. And when she posted these, I was like, yes, I am going to get this pattern. This is a Mrs. Petit elastic weight skirt, short, and pants pattern. You can make a straight skirt or straight leg, loose fitting shorts and pants that have elastic waist. They also have attached ties, side pockets, and stitched hems. And A has below knee side slits, B has above ankle, and C is above mid knee, and D is above the ankle. So I thought this would be really cute. It has a lot of explanation to it, but basically it's just an elasticated pant pattern with slits and skirt, and it's just very nice looking. So I thought I would get that, and I'll show you the line drawing. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the recommended fabrics are going to be your lightweight broadcloth, stretch wovens, lightweight linen, and lightweight poplin. And the last pattern that I got was another pattern that is not a spring pattern, but I picked this up for the same reason that I picked up the last one. Another participant in the 5 and Below series had made this top, and I believe it's 4 or 5 pattern pieces, and this is a Mrs. top, and it comes with a sash, and it's pullover and has a drop shoulder, and it also has neckline and sleeve variation, side slits, and a curved hem, and you can wear it with or without the sash. I really like the simplicity of it. I love the sleeves on view C, which is what the model was wearing, and actually I love the sleeves on all of them, and I just like the fact that it's simple but yet you can dress it up, especially with different types of fabric, which is what I witnessed on the participants. So I really like that pattern, so I decided to pick that up during the Butterick sale. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the fabrics that are recommended are going to be your crepes, crepe de chine, chalets, double georgette, and charmeuse. However, I am going to make this with cotton fabric, and the participant that recommended this pattern is Just Lovely Living on Instagram, and her name is Tanya Bryant. So thank you so much for the suggestions. Alright, so that is it for my pattern haul for the new Butterick Spring patterns. Please let me know in the comment section below which patterns you like best, which ones you can see me in, and if you like them at all, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the like button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the gray notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos. And I'll see you in the next one, which is really soon. Bye!